Hola, hola! This is Chef Mariela, your Cooking with Kids nutritional educator from El Camino Real Academy. I miss you guys terribly, and I've decided to make you a little cooking demo so we can cook together from home. Today, we are going to be making something called banana oatmeal clusters. You are going to need a cup and a half of oats. You are going to need a fourth of a cup of chocolate chips and a pinch of cinnamon. Now we are going to smash our bananas. You can use a potato masher. If you don't have one of these at home, you can totally use a fork and that will be okay. Now remember, the riper our bananas, the easier this will be. Okay, now we have our banana all creamy and smooth. We are going to add our oats. Then a pinch of cinnamon. Smells so good. Mix them all together. Chocolate chips. Now that we have them all mixed in, we can leave them like this, or we can add the colors of the rainbow. Remember, the more colors we have on our plates, the healthier we will be. We can add some blueberries for blue. We can add some cranberries for red. We can add some pumpkin seeds for green. All right. Now at this point, we are going to need to line our cookie sheet. You can use a parchment paper or you can use a pretty liner. If you have an ice cream scoop, we can scoop them into the mold like this. If you don't have one of these, it's okay. We can just use our little hands, ball them up, make little clusters like this, you see? Squishy, squishy. And put them in there. Okay. So now that we have them all in the tray, we're going to need help from mom and dad to turn on the oven at 350 degrees. And then we're going to put them in there for 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, it smells so good in here. They are ready. Look at all this chocolatey goodness. Oh wow, this is really good. Now, post your pictures below and your comments and let me know how it went when you tried them at home. Stay healthy, and I look forward to see you guys soon.